Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Firstly, go into Settings and scroll down to Access Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down, click on Permission Manager, and tap on one of those options. I will go with Location. Now tap on one of your apps and apply the best option for you. Location access for this app. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. Wherever you decided when you finished, go back. As you can see, after that, camera just gained access to my device's location when I'm using it. But you can always select any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage. Then, instead of clicking on any of those options, scroll all the way down and click on See All Permissions. Then manage all of those only for a chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!